for coming to Comedy at the Cat. You'll be very happy to know, probably not as happy as I am, that we've broken even exactly. I've lost no money! I've lost no money! And form as Comedy Cats! Yeah, keep it down, keep it down, keep it down, it's wonderful! Keep it down!
The rim taste! Shit, my favourite.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mega Games! The first game, ladies and gentlemen, will be Guess Who? Audience Edition.
Does your shirt have a colour?
His shirt does have a colour!
Sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, I have problems, I have queries. Like, if blondes have more fun, do albinos have a non-stop party? Is that the goal? I don't know. Well, I just pick up the phone, and I ask Gerry! Yes, Gerry! What's your best and most successful chat-up line? Yeah, that's the shit we want. Let's do that every time.
Is internet dating and sad?
Really got love. Really got love. Trevor.
Hello. So touch it, stroke it. Come on, she's going to touch it. Oh, she's touched it! They completely hijacked the gig. Those, you can see in there. Shine the light. I like myself. So thanks very much. I now announce my retirement from show business. It's your fault.